So the purpose of Arjun Show is to inspire and promote exciting leaders like you in the industry, like you are in a blockchain, becoming a leader to inspire other people to also a leader on space as well, to create more leaders as well too. So how do you feel about this initiative, and is there any particular key message you want to share with our team?
I think it's a great initiative, building content and giving people, free access to, knowledgeable content that they generally don't get. I think it's a good thing. It's a good thing for society, for the communities. If there's any message I would leave for you is that investing is cool, so definitely try it, but definitely balance between risk and opportunity. So know your risk threshold, know your risk level, and again, before you're investing in more risky investment asset like cryptocurrency, always do your own research. And the research is what? The 5 things I said earlier: team, problem statement, product, traction, market.